Hey guys, why does my iPhone screen go down halfway? That's why it is called reachability. So guys, today I would like to let you know that what is the purpose of reachability and what is the use of reachability in iPhone. So guys, today I will let you know that what is the reachability option in iPhone. So let's see where is the reachability options available in iPhone. So first go to settings and just try to find accessibility. So here is the accessibility, just tap on it, and now you can see here the touch, just tap on touch, and now here you go, you can see the reachability option here. So what does mean for this option? So if you tap to turn on, after that what will happen? So if you read here, clearly mentioned that swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. So where is the bring to top on the reach? So let me parallelly I try to open in the Photos app. Okay, and you can just try to notice here, swipe down to bottom edge of the screen. So let me just swipe down. Here you go. And guys, if you just reach top to the screen, just you can see, just touch here, automatically you will go on top to the reach. This feature is to bring down the top of your screen to reach it more easily while you are holding your iPhone. So this is the purpose for reachability option. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.